Hi YouTube viewers, today I'm with Jill Wilson, our lovely local agent here in the Var.
So my region covers the Var, which is 83, and we're in the heart of Provence.
The lake behind us is Lake Sainte Croix. We'll speak a bit about the area later.
I've been here in this region for 10 years with Legate as their agent for this fantastic area. As you can probably tell from my accent, I'm from Scotland, and so I had 20 years of commercial experience before I moved to Provence. I fell in love with the Lac de Santa Croix and the region here.
So you came on holidays for several years before.
Yeah.
We are at the end of January. It's chilly this morning, still sunny weather throughout all the year as usual in this area. So where precisely are we, Jill?
We're at the top of the Var department, which is 83, and we've just stepped over into 04, which is Alpes de Haute-Provence.
Where we are at the border, the edge of it. 83 Var is famous for, of course, Saint-Tropez, Fréjus, Saint-Raphaël, all the French Riviera side, which is not far, in fact. It's not far, it's easy access from here. And here we are more in the mountains. You have to understand that if we go just up there, on this side, it's easy to go at 1,200 meters in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
In 30 minutes. So it's real mountains in that on that side.
So last year we had George Clooney and his wife and puppy walking down the street in Cotignac. His good friend Brad Pitt was in Tourtour last year filming one of his coffee ads.
So we are just above the village. You can see below, it's Sainte-Croix-de-Verdon. It's one of the many villages around the lake. Bauduin, on the other side, Aiguines, Moustier, and so on. There's so many, we can't list them. And if we go further south, if we find Alpes, Cotignac,
Tourtour, Entrecasteaux, and then from there we're about an hour from Aix-en-Provence.
Famous.
And we're about an hour from the Mediterranean.
So yes, this area is famous. All the Provençal pictures, it's postcards everywhere.
And it's very famous for wine in this region, especially rosé. The best rosé is from Provence.
Everything is like frozen in time in a good way.
Cotignac is probably the best known and most popular village in my region. It's alive all year. It's popular not just with the French, but internationally, all different nationalities.
Okay, it's touristic, you have tourists, but all the locals, they live all year round. If you come in winter, you've got 2 days a market day. We don't have time to go there this morning, but we just spoke there. You often go there to do your own market?
Yes. In the area, you can pretty much go to a market every day of the week, and that's all year round as well.
Of course, olive oil and all products.
Oh, yes.
Fantastic quality of olive oil has got nothing to do with industrial product. Can we speak about what sort of houses for what budget? From what to what?
Yeah. The cheapest house I'll have is one at Fox and it's
lovely
a tiny little village house with its own private garden, and it's going to be 117,000 euros.
So below 200.
Yeah, it's just little, but ideal as a lock up and leave or Airbnb. And then I have beautiful villas ranging from sort of 400,000 to 800,000 or 900,000, up to a fabulous chateau with fields and orchards. And
we passed in front of it this morning. Oh my God!
And it's on for 3.95 million. I do think actually that this region provides good value for money.